Hello, I'm Lucy from Kitchenzap. Today, you will learn about keto coffee and how to make it. For coffee enthusiasts who are on a ketogenic diet, keto coffee will be perfect for you. This coffee is a bit healthier and compared to your average breakfast, and it is equipped with incredible calories to match. Keto coffee is often used in intermittent fasting, and it offers plenty of energy and a feeling of satiety throughout the morning fasting hours. If you are looking for a healthy whipped coffee beverage, then look no further because the keto coffee recipe got your back. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of coffee, 2 tablespoons of grass-fed unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of organic coconut oil or MTC oil, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here's how to make it. Brew the 2 cups of coffee in a large container. You might consider using your favorite method of brewing. Ensure that you choose a container that is large enough to prevent spillage during the blending process. When using a pour-over method, it will be best if you grind it to the size of the kosher salt or even smaller. Once done, fill your coffee filter and then wet the coffee with a small amount of water and leave it for approximately 30 seconds for it to bloom. Once this is done, you can go ahead and brew it, usually by pouring water in a circular motion. Ensure that you do this with utmost care to prevent the coffee from swimming in water. Take your butter and the coconut oil as well as the immersion blender. You might consider mixing this in a regular blender, however, it can be more hassle when it comes to cleaning it. Take 2 tablespoons of grass-fed butter. It is highly recommended to start with an unsalted one first to test. Drop the butter in your coffee and then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or the MTC oil depending on your preference. Add your heavy cream into your coffee and mix it all together with the immersion blender. It will take approximately 45 to 60 seconds to get a frothy cap at the top. During this process, make sure that you move the immersion blender up and down in order to emulsify all the fats present in the coffee. This aids in aerating the mixture, hence adding some extra froth. Watch carefully when pouring the froth on top since it can drip down the side. Once you're done preparing your ketogenic coffee, you can measure it and sip it from your favorite mug. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.